Civil danger warning for the state of Nevada. People have been going around making nude photos of Alphabet Lore, Roblox Doors, Roblox Rainbow Friends, Country Balls and Minecraft. Do not look at any of those nude photos. Send steak and burn your eyes, vomiting and headaches. The National Guard of Nevada are aware of those nude photos. To prevent headaches, vomiting or burning eyes, you must wear a blindfold. Hospitals are overflowing with patients. If your local hospital is full, you must go to a doctor's office for treatment. If you have seen any of those photos, you must send it to the law.